if you're using a professional level lighting console or even a PC software, you're going to run into fixture numbers. So what are they and how do you use them? I'm David Henry from LearnStageLighting.com, and in this video I want to show you how to use fixture numbers to make your life easier and not just make them a confusing side effect of the console that you're using. So, as I mentioned, a lot of times in software or professional level lighting consoles, when you go and you patch a light, that is, you assign it inside of the console to a DMX address, the console's then going to give you a fixture number. And this number is generally going to start at 1 for the first fixture you patch, and then every time you patch a fixture, they're just going to put it in the next slot in the console. But this isn't the best thing to do. If on one show, or one setup, or one day of programming, you decide to take your regular old LED PARs and you start them at 1. You have 24 of them, so they're 1 through 24 on the fixture number. So inside the console, maybe you have a number pad or something like that, and you reference to these lights and you say, okay, I want to work with number 1 through 5, enter, and you're able to work with it. A lot of lighting consoles work this way. Now you go ahead and you patch in some moving lights. Say you've got some spot fixtures. You go ahead, you patch in 10 of those, they patch in from 25 to 35. Okay? Great. So now, if I want to get to those, I go 25 through 30, and I've got half of those, 31 through 35. I've got the other half. So, what's the problem here? Well, the problem that's going to occur is if down the road, or on a different show, you have more than 24 of these LED fixtures. Where do you put them now? Do you have to move everything around? Well, no. In fact, I want to present to you a much better way to do this. If you're new to programming, maybe this hasn't occurred to you. I know when I first started, I had to have someone teach me this, and then I realized how much time it saved me. So go ahead, and what I like to do is take whatever my main front lighting wash is going to be for my stage, whatever type of fixture that is, those start at fixture 1. Then I take my main moving light spot, or my secondary one if I'm using moving light spots, as my front wash, okay? And I start that at 101. I put another spot fixture starting at 201 if I want that, a wash fixture at 3 and 401, LEDs starting at 501, and on and on and on. And the reason the system works so well is not because I designed it, because I didn't actually, I was taught it by a mentor of mine, but because now, anytime I go to program a show, whether it's the same show in a venue that I've done a billion times before, a new show in the same venue with the same lights, or a completely new show in a completely new venue, when I want to get to my moving head wash fixtures, I know that they're always in the same fixture number, and it allows me to quickly type in on my console 301 through however many fixtures I have, enter, and I get the lights that I want, okay? So don't gloss over this. This might sound really simple and really elementary, but this little step of organization, of optimizing, instead of just putting it where the console puts it and trying to remember what the number is, you can instinctively, when you set up a system for yourself as to how you do your fixture numbers on a show, you can instinctively know where to type for that number and not have to look it up on a spreadsheet or guess or do anything like that. So that's my big tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this video, go check out the full post here on Learn Stage Lighting that's going to talk through what you need to know to work with the professional lighting console. And also, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for the latest videos here on YouTube. I'm David Henry, and I will see you in the next video here on Learn Stage Lighting. Thanks.